Usually, red cable is the live wire. Blue cable is the nature wire. White cable is the light wire. Use a screwdriver. Gently open the bottom plate from the bottom notch. Take out the base module. Check the terminal identification. Connect according to the identity. Insert the base module into the 86 series electrical box. Screw the base module. Take the bottom plate. Combine it with the base module. Press and hold the first button until the indicator blinks quickly, then release. Press and hold the first button again until the indicator blinks slowly, then release. The device has entered the binding mode. Open the application. Click the plus sign in the top right corner. Choose a device menu. Searching device. One device was searched. In this page, you can choose some device configuration, such as lamp name and icon. Finally, confirm addition. Now, you can control the device from your mobile phone.